Unboxing time, baby!
You know, you're backlit.
Unboxing time, baby! One more time. Unboxing time, baby! Yeah, boy! Alright, forget it. Too much energy. Unboxing the new PGY Tech sunshade hood. So I did a review of this ages ago when I was about 5 years old, and I've just ordered another one. And for some reason we forgot about this, and it was in the bottom of our Pelican case for a very long time. And now it's the last day of filming, and we found it. So let's unbox it, give it a go. We are currently in Goondiwindi, which is on the border of New South Wales and Queensland. It's very hot out here, so I think that's why we can have a quick go at this and see if it works. Here we go. So the top is off. This is what it looks like. It already, just by looking at it, looks like it's going to be nice and light. That was the problem we had with the other one. Although it did the trick, it was just really heavy, and it always ended up dropping forward or making the whole controller tip over. Let's have a look what we got here. Oh wow. Always got to smell it. I won't use the knife just in case I rip into it. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. It feels and looks like the iPad cases, you know, the ones that fold up and you can prop them up. I think they've gone with a similar style and concept. Is that open? Okay. So this looks like the base. Clips on with magnets. Yep. Perfect. And this looks like where you put the iPad through, and down here is the flap for getting your fingers in to touch the screen. On the old one, they had it, but it was quite hard to get to all corners of the screen, and it was elastic. Whereas this, looks like it opens up like that. I wonder if you can. No, it's just on or off. Alright, let's get this bad boy on. So this is the old one. It was a little bit hard to get on. You had these clips. Let's put this on. So, it looks like we get these ones in first. Looks like it's a rubbery material. Slide the other bit up. In. Clips in. Get that up there. That's it. Wow. It's way better. And lighter, and you've got quite easy access to the home button. What else we got here? Instructions. Ah, yep. So it does fold up. How do we do this? Like this? I think it's supposed to stay like that. That's pretty handy. Ah, then you can close it. Alright, let's put the top on. This just goes over the top like that for a more immersive FPV style solution. Over the top like that. That's it. Well, that's pretty cool. Cable straight in. Not too bad. So you can have it all the way in like that. Take the top off and just have that. Not bad. I wish we opened this earlier. Oh well, next trip. Folds up. It's not bad actually, durable. But we'll see how it goes over the next couple of weeks when we put it to the test. Stay tuned. Did the fly just go in my mouth?